guys, it's Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews, and this is the next in our Bow to Stern series, where we find out how long does it take us to walk from one end of the ship to the other. So today we are on the beautiful Harmony of the Seas. We are docked in St. Martin, and we are taking advantage of the ship for the day. So we are back here, we're right behind, I'm right next to the Ultimate Abyss, as far back on the top deck as I believe you can get. You can get a little further down in oh, they're practicing down there, the Aqua Theater, but we're gonna do this on the top deck today, see how far we can get and how long it takes. Let's check it out. All right, like I said, we're back at the Ultimate Abyss. Another view back to St. Martin before we get started. Down to the, way down to the Aqua Theater. And I've got my trusty iPhone here, and let's kick it off. As always, we will take in some sights along the way, and I'll give you some commentary, and we'll see how long this one takes. Let's go. All right, we are off. And here on the back of the ship, besides the Ultimate Abyss, you do have the flow riders. You also have the wipeout bar right here. Flow riders aren't currently open, as you can see, but we were on them earlier. We do have some stairs to traverse, as you'll see. So on this side, the starboard side, you do have the sports deck. If we take a peek across the way, look over there, you will see the golf course, or the mini golf course, I should say. And then up there on that first level, you do have the buffet, and up above that are the two-story suites. And on that same level, you would have Coastal Kitchen and the Suite Lounge. You got some ping pong going on here. Don't know if you can see through that glass. Parked right next to us, you can barely see, we got Vision of the Seas. So this is a free casual walk-up buffet restaurant called Mini Bites. A lot of Mexican fare, pretty similar to what you'll find on other ships, but not branded the same. They call it Mini Bites here. I'm sure they will eventually change it over into El Loco Fresh. There's another view of Vision. Got your ice cream, soft serve. So we made our way from the aft section of the deck. And now we are into the midsection where all the pools are. There are full pool areas. This first one is Splashaway Bay. And, you know, for the kiddies. Ryan's now 7. I'd say he's starting to get a little big for this one. He likes the bigger slides now. But he's on there right now, still having fun. Across the way, I believe that is the sports pool on the other side. Here we have the sandbar, ready to take your order at any time. Towel station. And then 2 more pools on this side. We have, I believe this is called the beach pool. And other side is what they call the main pool. And then overlooking this is the what they call the Perfect Storm slide. So you got 2 duo racer slides on the side. I will say they are not that fast. In fact, I almost went to a dead halt this morning. But the other one, and I can't remember what they call it, I'll have to look it up. I call it the toilet bowl slide because you have the big bowl that you spin into. That one, I got some good speed on it, did about 3.5 turns in the funnel before dropping down into where you land, which is right here. So here's some stairs that can take you up to the 16th deck, up And then from the 16th deck, if you are a Pinnacle or in a suite, you can go to the Suite Lounge, or I'm sorry, the Suite Sun deck, where they do have a pool, or I'm sorry, not a pool, a hot tub and a bar, and it's a really nice area. And our ship overview will have that Suite Sun deck for you, so make sure you check that out. So now we are entering the solarium, and we are getting very forward on the ship now. Since we're docked in St. Martin, it's super quiet in here, so I'll keep my voice down, but also not super busy, which is nice. And I'm really excited to show you the front of this ship because it's really cool what they have done. So we're almost there, just gotta make our way to the center and back over to the side. We are gonna cheat a little bit and go to the side, not straight to the front. But down another set of steps. Technically, we are down on deck 14 now, I think. Nice hot tub here in the solarium. So this solarium has 3 levels of seating areas. You have the Solarium Bistro restaurant on the main level, and then up above that, you have the Solarium bar. It's a really nice circular bar. And we are almost here. And check this out. We are now outside. And I guess you could sort of call this the king of the world position since you're not even... Would you believe that? My battery cut out right as we got here to the end. But I had an extra battery on me. We're just cutting right in, and I had stopped the timer anyway. So let's check out where it is. 5 minutes. It says 5 minutes and 14 seconds. It took me just a second to get that stop. So 5 minutes and 12 seconds. That's what we will call it. And this position of the ship is just awesome. It has a clear panel, so you're standing straight above the water with a straight down view. Get some views of the sides of the ship. We've got a TUI cruise ship and a Norwegian, the Norwegian Sky, next to us today in St. Martin. And I believe this is as far forward as you can go because the helipad on this ship is not generally accessible, except we have been out there for a special event sail away we were invited to once. So there it is, 5 minutes and 12 seconds to get from the bow to the stern of Harmony of the Seas. Again, it's a beautiful day here in St. Martin. We are gonna go enjoy the rest of this afternoon until everyone gets back on the ship. So that's it for today. This is Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.